Never seen one of these before.
Here. How's it going, dude?
This one's getting Steck Dyno Matte paint protection film. Chauffeur Nick at your service. All right. We need to make some space in the shop. So, have a look right here. All right. That's all she wrote. Boom. All right, so we don't have just one Mercedes Sprinter 170 long wheelbase. We have two. What the heck? Twins. So this one doesn't have these wheels yet. We're putting these wheels on this one, not from this one. We're getting another set to put on this one. This one actually took the same wrap, satin dark gray. We did a P on it for the company that purchased this one with satin black on the back. This one's also getting corrected and ceramic coated right now by our boy. Killing it. It's gonna leave me hanging. All right, forget you. Next time, just playing. All right, satin dark gray on this Mercedes 170. This whole thing, bumper, everything included. This is also going up to the top, is gonna be in satin dark gray. We got the 23 Raptor. This one's getting Steck Dyno Matte paint protection film. The 10 already looks good on it. That was taken care of. Not in-house, but it looks really good. I like the windshield on it. I don't know if that's, you know, but it looks great. It looks great. We got the ZL1. Gonzalo's over here doing a repair for this client. So this client came in, don't know what happened. I don't know if he tracks his car, just drives it, but the paint protection film, when he bought this car, had a little bit of damage on it, so he brought it to us to strip it and repair. The kit was already done, so we're just bulking right here. We're gonna match this line that they already had here. We're gonna save him some time, save him some money, but this one's gonna look really, really good once Gonzo's finished with it. And then he's gonna hop right on that one for that matte Steck. It's gonna look sick. So this one, but the back, the wrap is actually getting corrected and coated as well. It's got some fingerprints on it that we don't like, so we're gonna get the vibrance out of that one and correct it and coat it. Maserati wheels are back, looks good. Gloss black. Chrome deletes done on this one. We have the emblems we're gonna put on, window tinted. We've got the handles that we're doing right now. The calipers are going a Verde Ithaca green Lamborghini, so this one's gonna look really, really good. This is the same client we did a Porsche before, and he had the Lamborghini green calipers, so we're gonna match that one. John's over here working on this one right here. We have some removal portions that we're doing right here. This is all plasti-dip, so we're removing this, cleaning it, and then we're gonna go ahead and get this in gloss black, get these pillars stripped, get those back to gloss black, same thing here. The grill is getting taken care of. We're gonna see about those wheels. You guys saw in the preview those wheels looking goofy, man, looking really goofy. And then same thing here. We're gonna get this one some love and get this one in gloss black as well. Busy week. We got some cool things outside as well. The E55 came back. We threw some new AMG style wheels on it. It looks really, really good. So we're taking off the Steck paint protection film that goes on the windshield. I guess it would be just windshield protection film. This has been on now for, what do you say, Gonzalo, a year? It's been on about a year now. I had no issues with it whatsoever. As you guys can tell, no heat, and these guys are actually popping this stuff off like it's no issue. It's not really even leaving any adhesive at all, right? So in a previous video, you guys saw that I had several actual impacts in the film here, probably down here, a little bit in the middle. We'll do a quick inspection on it, but from everything I see, that's just adhesive. We're actually gonna be working with the Trainer Clearplex today on this car. We're gonna be getting some training on their Clearplex film. Apparently, this Steck film is not actually considered optically clear, but the ease of installation is amazing, and it definitely does its job. I got hit, I don't know, at least 10 times just driving a little bit, you know, maybe a few hundred miles, got hit like 10 times. So it definitely saved it. But they're doing a last little thing right here, and I mean, that's pretty much it, man. This one's leaving today, that one's leaving today. This one we have to diagnose, do a couple of things on. We're gonna do a downpipe tune as well on this one. And we have the Raptor that Gonzalo's been doing in matte. The Sprinter van looks amazing in satin dark gray. We have to do the bottom rockers today and a couple of other things as well as the roof. But this one's moving along, so should be finished today. We got the Rover. The Rover lights came back out. We wanted to do those darker for the client. Actually, it was by his request. Also on this, he did like that his initials matched up with it, but after closer consideration, we're gonna end up changing all of these letters to the actual blue that matches the caliper. It's gonna look great on it. Escalade's all stripped. John stripped everything on the actual pillars, everything like that. So we're gonna get this done in gloss black, give it that accent effect. And we're basically have the Escalade grill in the paint booth for paint right now. So everything's coming along, man. Really smooth this week. Really excited to get some training done on this. All right, this ain't Solo Carla Electra. Never seen one of these before. Looks like a pizza delivery vehicle. It's pretty cool though. It's a single seater. Huh. Alright, well I don't know what we're gonna do on this, but that thing is legit. I gotta admit though, it looks like a little Caesar's delivery vehicle. Man, they see me rolling, they hating. They're trying to catch this dude riding dirty. Look at his trunk in there, dude. Look at that trunk. Straight from Wally.
You're the only guys driving those around.
Man, that thing is futuristic right there, dude. I mean, I wonder what the top speed is and what the range is and everything. I mean, he's got like what, max 14-inch, 15-inch rims on it. I mean, is that the battery pack on the back? I don't know. Or where he puts the pizzas? Look at him go, three-wheeler. It's like an actual covered Polaris.
Here. How's it going, dude? All right, so we're gonna put him back where I was. I've got enough pictures of the orange car, that's for sure. I have plenty of those. Which one? Oh, it's just great, isn't it? Keep going, and then straight back just a little bit. Perfect.